name is Trish No.
Hi, my name is Anais Gradinger.
My name is Elena Karner.
Today is the 2024 UW Symposium for undergraduates. I'm studying arts and sciences for my associate's degree at Bellevue College, and hopefully after undergrad I will go on to bioengineering.
I was part of the biology club for the presentation that we have today at the UW Symposium. Right now I'm getting an associate's degree, but I will be studying biochem in UW next fall, and I hope to get my bachelor's in biochem, and then we'll see from there.
I go to Lake Washington High School, but I do the Running Start program at Bellevue College. The field I'm hoping to go into or study in is either going to be microbiology or biochem. So right now the UW Symposium is happening. The event is kind of a place for undergraduate researchers to present stuff they've been working on, whether it's finished research or not finished research. Just kind of a place for people to share what they're learning and what they're researching.
So my project is on comparing the effectiveness of COVID-19 intervention methods.
We took information and data that we found from different papers,
specifically towards island nations due to their ability to have strict travel restrictions.
We compiled it, we put it through a program to get our own data, and from there we analyzed the data that we got to see how well that island nation did at preventing COVID-19.
The intervention methods that we looked at included masking, quarantining, and vaccination.
Many things excite me about today's events.
I really enjoyed learning about what they're working on right now, their current project.
I think that it's amazing to see everybody's projects and posters. I've walked around and seen so many different interesting undergrad research.
Getting to connect with other fellow researchers. I joked with my friends earlier that every second that passes is probably a LinkedIn connection being made.
Research that's been done and just kind of how that might impact science generally, but also if it's something related to a project we're working on.
From testing rats and testing how they reacted electromagnetic stimuli to autism and how autism is being screened in children.
So it's been really interesting to kind of find community in science.
My team and I hope to accomplish is gaining more experience with public speaking. We come from a background of all levels of scientific knowledge, so we welcome individuals who are really familiar to not familiar at all.
To have a good research project and to find out what travel restrictions or which ones of, I can't even remember.
Try to open up as many opportunities for them as possible, such as this one, to get involved in research and further their scientific journey.
And I'd say our main goal was just to have this really good research poster and to continue to learn from many different research papers.
So I would say it was accomplished today. What I look forward most to in the future is probably, hopefully, inventing something that could be helpful to public health.
I look forward most to just learning more about the different advancements in biology and chemistry and just science as a whole, because there's so many interesting things that a lot of different scientists find out.
Sort of has to do with cosmetics and bioengineering. There's a celebrity that I really look up to. Her name is Selena Gomez, and she has a condition called lupus, which makes her hands sometimes shake uncontrollably. But she also has a beauty line that manufactures her products in a manner that is accessible to people who also have lupus. And so, for example, rather than circular tubes for makeup, it would be square so that it doesn't roll off. And for the knob, it would be like a ball instead of just a cylinder, so it's something easier to grasp onto.
And coming to something like the UW Symposium is a really great way to look at it, especially knowing that you could just interact with the author and with the people who actually did the projects, and it makes it a lot easier to actually understand what the project is and how they went about doing it.
I think one piece of advice I have for students,
I would suggest other students to really
Explore their options.
don't be afraid to go out and try something.
Join whatever they can join, whether it's a club that will present their research here.
have a team that is very diverse in their abilities and their interests and goals, their places in life. Just having a team to fall back on.
Learn more about different subjects that are important to you. Just explore your campus, explore what's around you, and make sure that you have fun with it.
So yeah, it's helpful to have a good team.
And I'm really happy now to be a part of the club.
It's great to be part of the Bio Club this year. I can't wait to see what else they do in the future.
Our next project, we're hoping to do some work with bug DNA barcoding. So it kind of helps, we're looking at a gene sequence and trying to find a way to differentiate different species by their DNA barcode, essentially. So I'm really looking forward to kind of having this community and getting to work in things I'm interested in while making friends.